Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tammy for Partyshopng. How are you doing? I hope you're keeping safe. I hope you've been getting values from the videos I've been putting up there on balloon decoration. I hope you've been getting enough value. Please, I would like to know, please drop that comment in the comment section under this video. I would really appreciate your feedback. Is there anything you would like me to do that I haven't done yet? Yes, I have a lot of videos lined up for you guys and I'm going to release it bit by bit. But I need you to, encourage me. As you're watching, please, can you click the like button right now? Please. I'm appealing to you. Please click the right button. Drop a comment and let me know where you're watching from. And as well, subscribe. My analytics tells me that 75% of the people watching my video, returning subscribers, are not subscribed. Please encourage me. That would be how I'll know that, okay, I'm doing something good out there. Today's video, I'm just going to basically be showing you how to use a balloon pump. A balloon pump, yes. I had an inquiry few weeks ago, like 3 weeks. I'm going to put up the picture here of the inquiry, and the person said, please, how do I use a balloon pump? And I'm like, okay, is it the electric balloon pump or the hand pump? And she said the hand pump, and I'm like, oh, that means in my previous videos it's not been clear how to use it very well, because she said she's using it and it's not giving her the desired effect. So today I decided to do a video and just show you how to use the balloon pump. So basically, this is the balloon pump we're going to use today, and this is the balloon I'm going to use. I'm doing this video so up close so you can see clearly and understand what I'm doing. So this is the balloon pump, this is the mouth, this is where you hold it, and this is the balloon. This is the mouth of the balloon pump, and this is the mouth of the balloon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the mouth of the balloon pump into the balloon, into this hole here that you can see. So it goes in slowly, and when it does that, you see it's hanging in there. I'm just going to hold it firmly so that there will not be any form of escape of air here. And then if you notice, when I move it without pressure, it's blowing in some air, but it's not having the effect I want. So what you're going to do, you make sure that as you're blowing it, you have to keep on adding pressure. So this is it. So you keep on adding pressure, adding pressure, adding pressure, adding pressure. And when you get the desired size that you need, you stop. And then you quickly, did you see that I was trying to calm down because I didn't pick it up in time? So you quickly hold the neck of the balloon firmly. I don't know if you can see this, firmly, so that no air escapes from this. And then after doing that, to tie your balloon, you do this. Okay, let me go back a bit. To tie your balloon, you do this. You take it round. I hope you can see. So there's a hole there, and then you pass it through this hole. And voila, you are done. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please click on the like button, show me some love. Click on the like button, drop your comments, and subscribe, please. Thank you. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.